Let's go over the toolbar, which offers a variety of options and functions. Starting from the left, to open a new project file, click on New. Click on Open to browse and select existing data file. Click on Save to save the currently opened project file. Click on Save As to save currently opened file with a new file name. Click on Print to access the print menu. Here, user can select what reports to be printed. Here we have Undo and Redo buttons to undo or redo the last action. We have buttons for copy and paste. Reset button will clear all the inputs and resets to 0. Next is Preferences. There are various options under Preferences. We will discuss it in another video. Goal Seek. It is same as in Microsoft Excel, which is finding the correct input value when desired result is known. Coming further, under Options, we can store current set of inputs as one of the 8 available options. We can compare these inputs by recalling any set of inputs back into main input sheet. Here, we have key performance indicators. These are updated on real-time basis. By clicking on plus button, we can extend number of rows for a particular cost or revenue item. By clicking cross button, we can decrease number of extended rows. We can add an Excel sheet by clicking here. We can export entire file as an Excel file by clicking on Export to Excel, or we can export as CSV or XML file by clicking here. Use this Go to button to quickly move to a specific cost on the input sheet. Use Go to Sheets button to quickly switch to any of the sheets. Use Help button to quickly open Help section on Feasibility.Pro website. You can also link an Excel file for side-by-side viewing by clicking here and adding the file link. You can close this external file by clicking here.